Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Inspiron 153515. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found yourself staring at a shattered screen, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen due to accidental drops or impacts. Ignoring a cracked screen can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and potentially harming internal components. Therefore, it's crucial to address this problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement screen compatible with the Dell Inspiron 153515, and a small container to keep your screws. To start, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the device over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, but make sure to keep them in your container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the back panel off. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips holding the panel in place. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the display connector. This is where the screen connects to the motherboard. It may be covered by a small piece of tape. Gently peel away this tape and disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out. Next, you'll need to remove the broken screen. There are usually screws located around the edges of the screen that need to be removed. Again, keep these screws safe. After the screws are out, carefully lift the broken screen away from the bezel. When placing the new screen, align it carefully and reconnect the display cable. Make sure it's securely in place before replacing the tape. As you secure the new screen, be mindful of the surrounding components to avoid any accidental damage. Reassemble the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing it down until you hear a click, ensuring all clips are engaged. Then, replace the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case or a screen protector. Always handle your device with care, especially when placing it down. If you're traveling, try to keep it in a padded bag to protect it from impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.